an anti-rattle clip goes on the inside so that when you hit a bump, this caliper doesn't vibrate and make noise. But this is not an anti-rattle clip. This is a retaining clip to hold the caliper against the brake system. That's what it's supposed to do.
Okay, so what's the proper placement to go on it? Because a lot of people have been posting online that their brake pedal is soft, and it's usually a problem with the retaining clip.
And then you just pop the retaining clip back off, okay, and you put it on the outside. Instead of coming here, you want to put it here, and then in the holes. And I'll put that on there the way it should be. If I can get it on there. I've never seen it this way before, but there we go. Okay. On the outside of the clip goes in the hole. This one goes behind it on the outside of the clip, and then you just push it up in the hole.
So on the bottom it goes on the
outside as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is Georgie. He's helping us today. Say hi, Georgie. Yes, you are. He's our helper. So there's the proper placement.
No.
Okay.
This slid in. See, that's why I didn't. Darn Volvos. Yeah, see, that's a pain to get it up in that last hole. Come on.
Right here on a beautiful, brisk fall day. Georgie helping us.
40 degrees.
Uncle Dave doing the placement, because we've had a problem with the brakes being soft, and we did a bit of research on it. And apparently this is a fairly common problem, people putting them on the inside instead of on the outside like this. So that's why we're doing this video, and hopefully save you a lot of trouble and time.
Now if you notice, this one's on the outside, and this one's on the outside as well, behind the two main panels. And the whole idea is this clip is holding the caliper in.
Okay, great. All right, Dave, hopefully that'll save a lot of people a lot of trouble.
Yes, it should. Especially me, because you know what? I'm done with it. Now the front is the same idea, where the clip goes on the outside like these do. It's a different setup on the front, but it's still the general idea on the outside of those clips. Same idea, the retaining clip, which is here, is not an anti-rattle clip. It does not go on the inside of that to push the caliper out. It goes on the back side right here on the upper and the lower to hold that caliper into the wheel. So if you notice, it's on this side, not this side.
And hopefully that'll take care of the soft brake pedal.
And if it doesn't, I'll be back.